what should I do today? You guys should help me. I had a plan, but I'm not gonna stick to the plan because I'm like, why not, right? Now, a few videos ago, I went and purchased Makeup by Mario from Sephora. And you guys know, I was not biased. I was very excited. There were pros and cons about the palette. There was pros and cons of what I liked. I did like the palette. Hold on, this is the one I'm talking about. This is the Nude All Mattes palette, which by the way, I did like. I was just very sad that I had to spend about like, well, how much was it? Like let me see, hold on. So I'm on his site right here, and this is the full, by the way, his site is so stunning. Like this would be like exactly what my site would look like. White and black, very clean. It was $48. Now, here's the thing. I did say in my previous video with Makeup by Mario that I think this palette is great. I think it's one of those amazing palettes that's gonna be, you know, well known. I think it's an amazing palette because he's a makeup artist. So when someone's a makeup artist, they really know how to play with makeup. I would rather trust makeup from a makeup artist than makeup from a beauty influencer. Do you guys get what I'm saying? And that's just kind of what it is for me. Like, I don't care how stunning you are, how many followers you have, and you come over to make a palette, I don't even think you know how to use those colors. Especially when an influencer gets their makeup done all the time. Like, how are you gonna tell me how to do my makeup? Oh shit, did I just read somebody? $48, I think it's cool. Like, if you guys don't have a brown palette yet, I think you guys should get it because I really do love the colors and I have been using this. Now, Mario reached out. By the way, I was like, what? I'm so excited because I love Mario. And I hope to meet him one day, and I actually hope for him to paint me one day. I also had gotten the Shimmer palette, which by the way, I did make a video with this palette. I did not like it. Here's a closer look. I mean, these shimmers are, oh, I just dug the shit out of it with my nail. Oh my God, fuck. But this is the Shimmer palette. I did do a video with this palette, and I didn't release it because I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling the video. I wasn't feeling the vibe. I didn't like the makeup. So we're gonna put those aside today because today's look, I'm excited. I have no idea what I'm gonna look like, but today's color is orange. Now, you guys know I love orange. Like, orange is one of my favorite colors, especially for someone that's bronze, and I tan a lot. So I love orange. Like, I love orange on my skin tone. So he was so nice enough to send his entire new collection to my house, which by the way, I was actually shook because I mean, he knows I exist. So bitch, I'm doing something right. So hey, Mario. That being said, there's this iconic palette. This is the Master Metals palette. The Master Metal palette goes for $48 for 5 colors. Now, for 5 colors for $48, it's like, what the fuck is going on? Because why the fuck does 5 colors cost $48? There has to be a reason why. And it's because out of all the palettes, this definitely stood out to me the most. I just didn't buy it because I was like, 5 shades. And you guys know I'm not a shimmer person. I do like them. I just don't really care for shimmer. But inside we do have the 5 iconic shades. Now, these are Master Metals. They're called Silver, Gold, Copper, Bronze, and Rose Gold. Very makeup artist language. I mean, makeup artist people, we don't really like to make up words. Like, why am I gonna call this shadow like my birthday? Bitch, it's red. It is what it is. So I hope you guys are enjoying my opinion. You know, I'd like it to the point. Get to the point. What the fuck is this? What kind of fucking color is this? Blue. Cool. Love it. So that's definitely makeup artist language. With this palette, it does come with a spatula or a spoolie or whatever this fucking thing is called. And you also have to get the Makeup by Mario mixing medium. This is the manipulator. So basically what this does, in normal people basic words, meaning that you take this water and you add it and it just becomes something. That's basically what it's gonna do. Now in the makeup world, it's like a mixing medium. You can kind of mix it with pigment. You can mix it with a shadow. You can kind of mix it with liner. You can mix it with a lot of different things to kind of extend the life form of the product. That being said, he did send me this, so we're gonna play with this today. And there's a specific color in here called the copper that I am very excited for. So today, you guys, all I'm going to put on my eyes is copper. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just going to put copper. I'm not gonna put no shadow. I really am curious on seeing how this product works. Like, I'm very curious. I'm looking at it and I'm fucking terrified. So this is it, you guys. So get ready. So if you guys have this palette at home, go ahead and pull it out because we're gonna go ahead and dive into this. All right, you guys. So a couple of things. You need this, you need the mixing medium, and you need the actual product. Now, inside, he did invent this little space where you're supposed to carve it out and then it falls. And then you take the mixing medium, you do little droplets, and it just kind of becomes this product that is just manipulated. And I love that. And, you know, honestly, this is probably why it's $48, because this is something that you can't really do without the mixing medium and things like that. So let's go ahead and swatch it without touching it first with the mixing medium and seeing what it does. So I'm gonna touch another color because I don't want to ruin the orange of anything. I'm gonna touch this blue because I would never use that blue. I'm gonna see what it does. Wow, what the fuck? Wow, it is like liquid metal. That's not even wet. Okay. Hold on, the yellow. Look at that. By far, you guys, I don't even know what to do with that. Alrighty then. So basically, you have the product here. You wanna take this spatula and you wanna carve it. Oh, see, so it's falling into the area that he did, so you can kind of mix it. Okay, so I did about that much, so let's kind of see it. Okay, I'm so scared. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Now, the question is, what is my window on when this dries? That is what I wanna know. Let's kind of see how it starts. So let's go ahead and get a little closer. I want you guys to get really all up in my cores. I apologize for my hair growth because I'm growing it out right now. Remember when I was bald? I know, I miss it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this going. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna open up the little manipulator and you wanna take it and you wanna drop. I don't know how much to put. After that, you wanna take it and you wanna like swirl it so it's almost muddy. It's literally looking like liquid gold. Like, I'm not lying at all. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch, okay? So we're gonna swatch it, what it looks like. Look at my face. You guys can't even tell I'm lying. I thought it was more shimmery without, well, actually, once it dries, it's actually very shimmery. Okay, I'm scared today. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna carve a little bit more and really try to mix it in. I hope I don't have to use any shadow today. I'm trying not to. Wow. You know what? It's not as bright as I kind of wanted it to be. I guess in my mind, and it's probably not the product, to be honest. I guess in my mind, I kind of thought I wanted like a very neon orange. You know what I mean? I know I want it underneath my eyes. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to put a little shadow on this. Oh, wow. Okay, so a little pro and con, you guys. As I'm building it, I kind of like it more, but I'm getting to start to see like these little clunks. I don't know if it's because of my powder or the actual product, but I'm actually really liking the consistency of it. I can tell the color kind of shows more when it dries. So maybe, is it because I put a little bit too much of the manipulator? I don't know. But so far, I ain't fucking mad about it. I think it's actually really pretty. You guys see this chunk? Like, what is that? Maybe it's the product. Maybe I need to put more in here. Some more of that manipulator. So I'm trying to create the same shape. Okay, so what I'm noticing too, you guys, is when I'm putting more of the manipulator, it's obviously a lot wetter. So it's taking a little bit longer to dry and it kind of moves around. I think I'm gonna have to start changing my brush because I really want a specific shape. All right, so doing that. I really want it to be more orange. So I think I might add a shadow. So now I really have my shape that I want. Now let's go ahead and start to kind of fill in, almost like an Egyptian eye kind of moment. Get some in this inner corner. Now let's go ahead and cover underneath the eye. It's a little wet, so hold on. It's a little different underneath the eye. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's just gonna take a while to dry. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and make sure that dries completely. Okay. You guys see that I'm probably not that sold into it. I didn't really like it underneath the eye. Maybe you guys do, but you guys gotta remember, I'm not a huge fan of shimmer. I might do like a liner to kind of line out the orange. Yeah, okay, so underneath the eye, it's like weird. Okay. I think I'm pretty much done. Now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure it is super orange. So now I definitely think this needs liner. Like, I really truly think it does. All right, you guys, so that was the Makeup by Mario situation. Pros and cons, you guys. So I definitely think it looks exactly like the color in the palette. Now, what I did notice is it does take a longer time to dry when it's kind of overly saturated with the mixing medium. I don't really care for it underneath the eyes, but now that I'm kind of looking at it, I'm not that mad. I'm just all over the place. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out some cute little liners. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Makeup by Mario. This is the Makeup by Mario liner. You guys remember in my previous video, I was one of those girls where I said, girl, liners are liners. What I do look for a liner is how black it is, how precise, how fast it dries. Is it a gloss? Is it a dry matte? Is it like a matte black? Actually, before I do this, let's go ahead and just buff in some orange because I really want my look to be super orange. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, look at me. I think this did something. I just want to make it more orange. So I'm actually taking a brush and I'm just really like trying to make it orange. I think that's as orange as it's gonna get, to be honest. All right, you guys, so now taking a liner, I'm gonna line the outside of this eyeshadow shape, and then I'm gonna bring in a liner to really give it like that weird futuristic kind of moment. So taking the liner and let's go ahead and line. And I'm just really like going with the natural shape of the eyeshadow. The liner is kind of skippy. Like the liner is kind of skippy. I don't know, maybe it's just me. You see how skippy it is? It looks so much better with the black though. I think this liner is so skippy. Like I'm actually not happy with it. Let me use House Labs to see how this looks like. Oh my God, what is going on with my, maybe it's me. Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna do another House Labs liner. There you go. There you go. Okay, so after 5 or whatever liners we just used. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get the other eye on. Look how easy this side worked. Okay, one side looks a little different than the other. I'm kind of like, whatever. This is probably the worst liner I've ever... What the hell did I just do? What the hell? Now, I want to do like a liner in the middle. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, thank God that looks good. Wow. We did it, you guys. That's kind of like the look that I was going for. I mean, the liner is a little skippy. It's not like as sharp as I want it to be, but it works. Okay, so we got that side done. You'll see why. Let's go ahead and do this side. All right, bitch. We did that. All right, you guys. I will be right back. Ooh, this liner is skippy, but it's kind of cute. I'm kind of into it. All right, you guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go slap on some lashes, a little lip, my final look, and you tell me what my Halloween costume is. Guess what I am, you guys? Oh, bitch, you guys. Okay, so listen. I grew up watching this movie called The Fifth Element, and I was always obsessed with Lilo. If you guys don't know who Lilo is, it's Mila Jovovich or something like that. She played Lila with the orange hair girl. She was naked. I've always wanted to be her for Halloween, and that's my costume this year, guys. Like, look at it. I feel like sexy. Oh, you guys, I'm feeling it, you guys. So I had to like tweak the liner a little bit because y'all just saw like I went through like 5 liners, and I don't know if it was like dry or it was like messed up or what the situation was, but I was like, oh my God, let me just fix this liner because I can't take pictures with that liner, girl. That liner was so skippy. So I thought this little moment is like kind of cool. So yeah, you guys. So I'm definitely feeling it, you guys. I look crazy. Yeah, I look crazy, but it's okay. But you guys, I had so much fun. A little recap. Makeup by Mario. I'm so excited that he knows I exist, and thank you so much to Mario for sending over all of the new product. Like I said from the first video, congratulations on the makeup launch. You are definitely a role model to a lot of makeup artists out there, and I just can't wait to see what else you have in store for us in the future. And you guys also, if you guys are tuning in right now, I want to take the time to say happy Halloween weekend. Have fun, be safe, slay the selfies, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. In the meantime, if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, you guys. I promise you, like, you guys, y'all gonna get addicted to me, because let me tell you, honey, read these comments. My babies on this YouTube channel, they got my back, and they love me, and I love them too. So, and if you guys are coming back, welcome back. I will see you guys in a few days with another video. I'm gonna go take some selfies. I will see you guys later.